So be careful. Sitini is 60 and tisini is 90. Sitini is 60, then tisini is 90. That one is kind of like a tongue twister. Sitini, tisini, sitini, tisini. Jambo, hello, this is Naomi and I'm very grateful for today. I hope everyone is doing well and you're ready to learn something new. So welcome and let's learn together. So today we're going to learn about numbers, so that you can be able even to count your money in Swahili, yeah? So I know there's a video we made earlier on numbers, so you can also go and watch that, yeah? And let's go and learn. Karibu sana. So in the previous video we had learned how to count 1 to 10 and I think 200, but also today we'll do that. So 1 to 10 is moja, mbili, tatu, nne, tano, sita, saba, nane, tisa, kumi. Kumi is 10. Then from 10 to 20 we have kumi na moja, kumi na mbili, kumi na tatu, kumi na nne, kumi na tano, kumi na sita, kumi na saba, kumi na nane, kumi na tisa, then ishirini. Ishirini is 20. So I think you've noticed I'm just saying kumi na. So we'll talk about na a few, what na means, yeah? Yeah. So just tune in, watch up to the end so that you can know what na means, yeah? Yeah. Then let's learn how to say up to a million. So from 20 we have 30. 30 is thelathini. 40 is arobaini, or you can say arobaini. Arobaini or arobaini. Then there's hamsini, which is 50. Then sitini, which is 60. Then sabini, which is 70. Then themanini, which is 80. Then there's tisini, which is 90. Then mia moja, which is 100. We can also go to mia mbili, which is 200. Mia tatu, which is 300. Mia nne, which is 400. Mia tano, which is 500. Mia sita, which is 600. Mia saba, which is 700. Mia nane, which is 800. Mia tisa, which is 900, and elfu moja. Elfu moja. Elfu moja is 1,000. Elfu moja, 1,000. Then there is 100,000, which is lucky. 100,000, which is lucky. Then there is 1 million. 1 million, which is milioni moja. So we can say kumi, which is 10. We can say 100, which is mia moja. We can say 1,000, which is elfu moja. Then we can say 100,000, which is lucky. Then 1 million, which is milioni moja. forming compound numbers, you have to use the coordinator na. So you heard me when I was introducing 10, I said kumi, then I started kumi na moja, which is 11, kumi na mbili, which is 12, kumi na tatu, which is 13, kumi na nne, which is 14, kumi na tano, which is 15, kumi na sita, which is 16, kumi na saba, which is 17, kumi na nane, which is 18, and kumi na tisa, which is 19. So you noticed I was saying kumi na nane. So when forming compound numbers, you have to use na. Na means and. So kumi na moja, 10 and 1, kumi na moja, 10 and 1 becomes 11. 10 and 1 becomes 11. Kumi na moja. Then you notice we've started with 10, then 1. So you start with the big number, then the one that you're joining. So kumi na moja. So once you know that, you can form compound numbers easily. So we've learned up to 1 million. So for example, the way we've done from 10 to 20, So let's see from 20 to 30. So from 20 to 30, I'll give just 2 examples. For example, 26, we will say ishirini na sita. So ishirini was 20, then 6 is sita. So ishirini na sita. Then we can choose another example. For example, 29. So it will be ishirini na tisa. So you'll just do that way with 30. 30 we said it's thelathini. Then 40 we said it is arobaini. So you'll go arobaini na tano, arobaini na saba. Then you can go to 50, which we said is hamsini. Then you'll say hamsini na mbili, hamsini na sita. Yeah. Then you can go to 60, we said it is sitini. So be careful. Sitini is 60 and tisini is 90. Sitini is 60, then tisini is 90. Sitini is 60, tisini is 90. That one is kind of like a tongue twister. Sitini, tisini. Yeah, so sitini is 60. So sitini na mbili, sitini na saba, sitini na nane. Then we say sabini is 70. So you can say sabini na nne, sabini na nane. So that is for 70. 80, the same way. 80 we said it is themanini. So themanini na mbili, themanini na tatu, themanini na tano. Yes. Then we said tisini is 90. So tisini na tano, tisini na sita, tisini na nane. Yes. Yeah. Then 100, we said 100 is mia moja. So for 100, you would say, for example, let's say 120. 120, we would say mia moja na ishirini. Then if you want to say 135, yeah, 135, we would say mia moja thelathini na tano. Mia moja thelathini na tano. So you've noticed we've not said mia moja na thelathini na tano, which is correct. That is very correct. Mia moja na thelathini na tano. But that is repetition. So you just say mia moja thelathini na tano. Mia moja thelathini na tano. So that will also work with mia mbili, which is 200, mia tatu, which is 300, mia nne, which is 400. So when we go to 1,000, also the same rules apply. So for example, if it's 1001, we'll say 1101, 1101, 1101. So for example, if it is 1450, it will be 1450, 1450. For 1000 there is 2000, which is 2000, 3000, which is 3000, 4000, which is 4000, 5000, which is 5000, up to 10,000, which is 10,000, and so on. Yeah, and so on. So for example, you can give an example of 11,620, 11,620. So it will be 11,620, 11,620, 11,620. You can give another example and say 55,555, 55,555. So we can say 55,000, 55,555, 55,555, 55,555. Wow, wow, wow. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me. So kindly don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to share, and don't forget also to put the numbers down there so that we can check together. Yes, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. So stay healthy and enjoy your week, and see you next time. Kwaheri. Bye bye.